Hi, this is Jasmine Koev, Jazzfin Company. I am currently working on wrapping up my book for the first edit and providing it to a couple of people for edits. And before this, I wanted to organize the chapters. And instead of creating bookmarks, what one can do if you want to quickly reach different sections, like for instance, this is chapter 3 physics. I can go back, control home to the top. Let's say I want to set up another link. I would activate chapter 10, random thoughts, right click after I have already set up the headings, and I'll show you momentarily how to set those up. I would right click and I would link chapter 10, random thoughts, within the Word document. So when I control and then click enter, it doesn't take me to that section of the document, but this link, control enter, will take me to that section of the document, and you see that's from page 1 of the document to page 102 of the document. On the left, when you have these activated, and if you don't see the navigation pane, you could do Control F, and under headings here, you would be able to see all the headings set up in your document. So now these headings, how can we set them up? I would go initially to, actually let's get to the bottom. I'll add a chapter 17, testing and display. Sorry, I have the gardeners outside, if you can hear the leaf blower. So here's chapter 17, testing and display. I would highlight chapter 17 and then I would click the heading. If I want to create a particular heading, I want to change up the heading. For instance, chapter 18, I want to bold, or let's say highlight and italic. How do you spell italic? Italize in Word. Italicize, sorry guys. Italicize. I would click on chapter 18, I would highlight it, and then I would italicize it and go up here to heading number 3 and update. Right click, I would right click on the heading and update heading 2. So here's heading 1. Let's say I want to change heading 1 to heading 2. All I need to do is highlight and click to heading 2. Let's try this again. Let's say I want to change it to heading 1. Unfortunately, the highlighting doesn't work, I'm noticing. So I can't turn off the highlighting. I need to go and do this myself. But you can see here's a left click and go back to the logic I had in heading 1. I'll get rid of the highlighting. And here's the logic I have in heading 2. I want to turn it back to the logic in heading 1. And if I expand it, or I click enter, you can see here comes in the underline. So now to link 17 and 18 to the contents page, I would do Control Home, get down to chapter 17. Can add any title, but I see that the title is testing and display. Test div name, just so that you can see that you can type in a different name. Highlight this section of the contents page, right click, and link it. And it will automatically take you to insert hyperlink. Most likely it will be set up to existing file or web page. Click on their place in this document and you're basically creating hyperlinks. So I'll click test and display, okay? And you can see this section has changed. Control enter and it will take you in that section of the document. I hope this is helpful to you. I will be making some posts online because we're going through an edit and a publish of a manual. So if you're interested in seeing how that's done and some of the steps to take, tune in. This again is Jasmine with JazzFin Company. If you're interested, click the subscribe button and give me a like. Talk to you next time.